I'm always spaced out, man. All this space talk is, making me really horny. I mean, it's time for Hi, I'm Cameron Blake. You're now watching Space Update. So we have a very exciting space update this week. So, it's a dwarf planet in the outer solar system called Makemake. It's had a hotspot on it for, I guess the fucking headline is spoiling it, but there's a warm spot on it. Scientists have been trying to figure out what that warm spot is, and they believe it could actually just be a thin ring around the planet, which would be really cool. Or, what I hope, is that it could be a region of highly active cryovolcanoes on the surface in that particular region. So a cryovolcano is like a regular volcano, but instead of spewing out magma and lava, it spews out ice, like really cold ice, kind of like a brine, like really like chunky. If you put a bunch of ice cubes in a cooler and it kind of melts a bit, you get that slushy kind of mixture. That's what I think it would be. Like, cryovolcanoes do not exist on Earth. They are only found on other planets or moons, really. So far, they've only been discovered on Jupiter's moon Europa, Saturn's moon Enceladus, and I think Neptune's moon Triton, and possibly Pluto, I think, and Charon. But anyway, this dwarf planet, Makemake, that's fun to say, is very, very cold. It's just a solid chunk of ice. But they think that this one spot on it is just a bit warmer than anywhere else on the planet, or the dwarf planet, technically. So because it's still freezing cold, it's something like 80 degrees Kelvin or something, which is like negative 500 degrees or Fahrenheit or whatever. But it's still warm compared to everything else on the planet that these cryovolcanoes formed, and it's spitting out all this debris. So these researchers are hoping that it's both a cryovolcanoes and a ring system, because those cryovolcanoes could be spewing out ice and dust and particles into orbit around that planet, and which is forming a ring. So that is very exciting. And I don't know, I can't remember if it says if they think they can confirm it with more observations, but yeah, like this is an image of Enceladus, which is a moon of Saturn, but it has cryovolcanoes. So like on the South Pole, so it's super warm, but it's still freezing cold. But it's still warmer than anything else. So that's where all the ice gets churned up and spewing out. So yeah, that's our space update.